Hi.
Hi, my name is Igor.
Igor.
Isn't that quite the name?
It is.
So, what you doing?
Well, I'm trying to give you treats.
Well, I've got things to do. I'm a beagle, you know. I got things to do.
Well, where are you going?
This way and that way and whatever way this couch is going to let me, which isn't very far. But, because I got things to do.
You're really not that busy of a little dog.
No, but I'm not too fond of these pictures.
No, it wasn't that much fun.
No, all the attention was on me, and it's kind of weird.
What about how good you're being now?
Oh, well, don't look at me.
Do you want the whole bag?
Here, yeah, put the whole bag down, see what I do.
And now where are you going to go?
Now I'm going to do whatever I can to get out of here.
Good thing that couch is strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, are you going to find me a home where I can do stuff and hang out and...
Sure.
And they won't mind my eye?
Oh, yeah, you have a little bit of cherry eye, but it's not bad, yep.
Yeah, it's not bad.
And not bad, and we feel that it might be worse to try to fix it than to just leave it be.
Did you hear that?
I think it's your home.
It's my home calling.
Okay.
We'll see you later.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Woo.